Marhaba, marhaba. Welcome back, Miss JJ's awesome middle school students. كيف حالكم? I hope you had an amazing fall break. I hope you rested well, enjoyed time with the family, and you are very excited to be back. So welcome back to Arabic class and welcome back to school. I was reading over the break a nice book, and I came across this nice sentence here that says, each lesson is a stepping stone on the journey that leads to success. Enjoy each moment in Arabic class. So I would like for us to enjoy each lesson in Arabic class, especially that starting tomorrow, we're going to be starting, new lessons in Arabic for each class, and hopefully each lesson will lead to success. So I really would like all of you to enjoy each moment in Arabic class. So ahlan wa sahlan again and welcome back to Arabic class. Today's learning target, actually, we're going to review classroom norms and expectations, just in case you guys forgot about it over fall break. So this is what we will be doing today, in addition to some Quizlet live games as review. So here we go. What are our Arabic class expectations? Check Google Classroom daily. Check Google Classroom daily. By now, all the students have their codes and they have been checking them many times, but daily is very important. Any communication about Arabic is going to be on Google Classroom. I put all communications, assignments, study guides on Google Classroom. Please, you need to turn on your assignments on time. I give you enough time to do your assignments, sometimes a week, sometimes 3 days, and we started also in class. So it's very important to turn in your assignments on time. You need to have your notebook and pen or pencil next to you during class to take notes. This is important, boys and girls. If you are absent, I would like for you to check Google Classroom for any work that needs to be done. All right, and you also know that I post recorded lessons on the parent-facing document, and also I put the study guide and important stuff that we cover in class on Google Classroom. We also all need to be organized and show responsibility. Okay, let's move to the next slide, Zoom rules reminders. I cannot stress enough how important it is for you to be on time. Be on time. Even if you think you're a couple of minutes late, those couple of minutes actually we do cover stuff. All right, it's not like the time you go in and sit down in the classroom. I start teaching like the first minute we start our Zoom class. You must enter with your real name. No nickname, no ninja name, no Power Ranger name, your real name, please. Camera should be on, or I'll have to send you out of class and email your parents. You must stay muted until I ask you to unmute. Please, Miss JJ's awesome students, when I ask you a question, an individual question, please respond, or I will think that you're not paying attention, or you just have your camera on and you're not there, and you're not paying attention, and this will affect your participation grade. And also, when I give you a code to join, like in Quizlet or in Nearpod, please join immediately, because all participation in all platforms is being recorded and taken into account in the grades. Especially when I ask you to join and some people are not paying attention. 5 minutes later, someone asks me, what's the code? Then we'll have to go back and look for the code. All right, so it's very important to stay on top of these couple of things and ensure that you are appropriately dressed and sitting up straight. All right? I know my students, I know you are all awesome and you do all this, but this is like a nice reminder. All right, so this is what we're going to do today. We are going to review using Quizlet Live, which I know you like very much, and this is our learning target. I can answer questions on Quizlet related to greetings and the Arabic countries themes. So we're going to go on Quizlet.com and I'm going to show you the code that you need to put in so we can practice using Quizlet Live. All right, so let's enter the code and let's review. Let me go back this one and let's review. All right, so I have here for you 2 sets and we're going to play games and review, and tomorrow we are going to start new lessons for each of our middle school grades. All right, thank you very much, boys and girls. شكرا, مع السلامة.